Home education, and particularly child-led education, trusts that the best person to make that choice is the person who is learning.
Do you remember, like, I had a neighbor, and he went to school. And he was one of my best friends, still is, and I remember one day I got this kit. It was like this electronic kit that you could make your own electricity currents go through, and you had these little wires. It was really cool. You could the positive and the negative, and you could find different ways to make the light bulbs go off or to make conductors. And
for about 7 or 8.
Yeah, I remember he came over to just to play, and I was trying to show him this brand new kit that I had and how cool it was that if I changed the different things, I could make the light bulb go here or the different thing here, or I could put a current through there. And he just wanted nothing to do with it because he said, that's school stuff. I do that in school. And but I persisted. I remember I really persisted that I want, please take a look, but you can do all this cool stuff with it. And I remember, like, I convinced him that, and we played with it all day.